Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Isabella's Quick Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make the new viral chocolate bar from Dubai that is selling out everywhere. Everybody all over the world is making it, and we're going to make it today from scratch. The pistachio cream that goes inside and the crispy Kataifi, which is like a shredded phyllo dough. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting off with the pistachio cream, I have here some boiling water, and these are some shelled pistachios. And as you can tell, when you shell the pistachios, they have like a brown skin on them. We're gonna blanch them and just rub the skin off so that our pistachio cream is gonna be bright green. So this part is of course optional. It's also gonna be less grainy when we blend it. After 4 minutes, you're gonna strain the pistachios and you're just going to rub all the skin off as much as possible. You're gonna add these to a blender with white chocolate chips that have been melted together with milk and butter. All right, once this comes up to a simmer, we're going to add it to the pistachios. Lastly, here is powdered sugar. 1 tablespoon, you could sweeten this more if you like. Alright guys, so next for the Kataifi, it's very simple. Here I have flour, cornstarch, salt, and oil. As you may already know, the full recipes to all my recipes are always listed down below in the description. Lastly, some water. You're gonna mix this until it's smooth, and then we're going to put this in a Ziploc bag and snip off the little corner edge, and we're gonna make like pancake style shreds. So this is what the Kataifi should look like. It should look like hairs. I made one that shows what it shouldn't look like. See how this one's really thick? It's too thick and then it gets really like wobbly. It's not gonna have that nice crunch. So don't do it like that. Do it as if you were making like hair, like this, as thin as possible. So if you were to go out and buy this Kataifi from like the Arabic market, you would find this is the state it would be in. It would be in the frozen section in a box, and then you would have to defrost it the night before. If you don't use all of this, you could keep it in the freezer as well. But now that we made this from scratch, we're gonna toast this to get it really crispy. So you could do this either on your stovetop or in the oven. Add a tablespoon of butter to a saute pan and chop this Kataifi up a little. Get it really crispy. You want this to kind of resemble like toasted coconut flakes. Now for the last part, we're going to melt some chocolate chips. Once you fill it up, take off as much of the chocolate as possible. You want a nice thin layer of the chocolate shell. We want the pistachio part to be thicker than the actual chocolate. And then you're gonna put this in the fridge just for 2 to 3 minutes to harden. This is a really small mold, so we're just gonna use maybe like a little teaspoon. Now for the moment of truth, we're gonna try one. I highly recommend you use a bigger mold than this little baby mold. Here it is. Who's excited to cut this open? Look how pretty, it's glistening. Ooh, look at that. I must say, making candy is a little bit time consuming and messy. Cheers. Wow, super crispy. I know why they put like that toasted Kataifi. It gave this like a really smoky toasted taste. Like, you know when you caramelize pancakes in butter, like really crispy in a pan? It's similar to that. You could tell that this was something pan fried. The white chocolate goes together really well. That if you just were to use pistachio butter, which is just blended up pistachios. So that's highly recommended. And the chocolate, it just balances the whole thing out. This surprisingly isn't too sweet, which I love. This is highly addictive. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you try it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. All of them always with a unique twist.